Have you ever been in a meeting where everyone thinks they agree, but halfway through, you realize you're all talking about entirely different things? That's when you need to get everyone on the same page. Welcome back to English with Bruce, everyone. If you want to sound clear, confident, and natural in English, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a lesson. And Happy New Year! I'm so glad you're back. This year, I'll be bringing you even more fun, practical, and powerful English lessons every week. Thank you for your continued support. You make this channel possible. Today's idiom, on the same page, meaning to share the same understanding, goal, or idea with someone. Korean equivalent, 같은 생각을 하다. Business examples. Before we launch the project, let's make sure everyone is on the same page about the budget and timeline. The CEO called a quick meeting to get the sales and marketing teams on the same page about the new campaign. Everyday examples. I just want to make sure we're on the same page about our weekend plans. We weren't on the same page last time, so this time, let's talk it through first. So the next time things start getting confusing, pause for a moment and say, hey, let's make sure we're on the same page. If you enjoyed today's lesson, tap that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you'll never miss an episode. And don't miss this Wednesday's Business English video. It's packed with phrases so you handle meetings like a pro. See you soon. And until next time, stay confident, stay curious, and stay on the same page.